Let's understand the basic hierarchy of inventory. Inventories are divided and classified with groups and categories. Let's take an example. Suppose you used to sell these products: Samsung J7, Samsung A30, Samsung J5 Pro, Oppo A31, Oppo A91, Oppo A8, Oppo K5, Vivo Y9s, Vivo U20, Vivo S5. Now you want to keep these products in one group. All these products will come under a group that is smartphone. And you want to categorize these. You categorize these like Samsung, Oppo and Vivo. Let us implement in PEASx. Open the new inventory window by pressing Ctrl+I. Enter the item name. Let's enter Samsung J7. Now press enter and move to group. If your group is already listed, you can just select and proceed. In our case, we do not have the group. Let's create a group. Click the Add button. A new pop-up window opens. Enter the group name. We have tax in this group, so select yes. Select tax type as GST. And save. After the group is saved, press Escape to close the pop-up screen. Your group is listed in this box. Now move to the category. We want this item under Samsung category. Again, we need to create the category. Click the Add button. Again, enter the name of the category here. Select the group name. Samsung group will come under smartphone. So select smartphone. And save. Press Escape to close this window. Now your category is listed. Select the category and enter other details of the item. And save. Your item is listed with group and categories. You can filter the items by group and categories. Click the Filter Item button here. We want to filter the items that comes under the Samsung category. Press C to change this to category. Select the category and keep pressing enter to load the data. You will see that only Samsung items are loaded. Again, you want to see the items of Vivo. Select Vivo in filter and load the data. Your Vivo items will be loaded. Thank you.